welcome back to my channel. My name is Nioka and this is the curry chicken part 2. Thank you guys for all your support. Thank you for subscribing, liking, commenting on my video and sharing. Thank you. I really appreciate it. I won't hold you too long, so I'm gonna get straight to the video. I added a little bit of vegetable oil in the pot, and the pot is hot. I'll add like just a little bit of curry just to burn it, just for it to burn a little. Then you just add your chicken to the pot. You can space them out. Oh, this smells so good. This smells so good. You want them to like have a little color on each side. So you just like, it's good to use a wide pot like this. So the chicken gets room. You just let them brown. And then you turn it on the other side. This is what I'm saying. I want it to get a little color like this, that nice color. Then you can mix everything up. When you cover it for a while, you see that the chicken will start sweating. So after about 5 minutes, you give it a next spin, and then you add a little bit of water. Not too much water, please. It has to be just enough for it not to burn. That's it. You reduce the heat just a little bit, and then you leave it like that and cover it. You need to keep on checking it, like every 5 or 6 minutes you check it. If it needs water, you add water. I'll be showing you that step as we go along. After about 5 minutes, you check on it. If you see there's a lot of liquid in there, and let me show you. So this is how it looks. It has enough water in it. And you just let it cook. You have to make sure that the curry is well cooked. You have to make sure it cooks for a good while. Checking again on it. You can always check now and then. You don't have to wait a whole 15 minutes because sometimes it may need a little bit of water, and you just add it. If you see that it's drying out too much, you add the water. Alright, so for me this is good for me, so I'm just gonna let it stay for a little bit more. It has been cooking for like 25 minutes now. So I'm still watching it. In the meantime, I'm just gonna get my vegetables ready. These are the vegetables that I'll be adding to my curry chicken. So I have bell pepper, yellow potatoes, and carrots. This is vital. The potato is very vital. When you're cooking curry chicken, you have to have potatoes in your curry chicken. The carrots you can have, but it's not as important as the potatoes, believe me. Look at that beauty. And this chicken has been cooking for like 25 minutes now. So as soon as these vegetables are done cooking, you can turn it off and it will be ready. So you just put them in the pot so the sauce can get to them and cook them. This is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. And at this point you can add a little bit of water, because since you put the vegetables inside, then it's going to require more water to cook them. And also you want to have a nice sauce, so it's good to add a little bit of water. Nobody put too much water in the pot, because you don't want to have long water gravy. Okay, so what I just said is don't put too much water, because you don't want to have the sauce too watery. So it's good to just put a moderate amount of water in the pot, maybe like this, so the vegetables can cook. That's the main reason why we added more water. So the chicken is already cooked, because as you can see it's already tender, but we're just waiting for the vegetables to cook. Let me show you guys a closer look at it. So this is how the chicken looks. It's almost done. If you test one of the look at that color, it's so yellow. That's how your curry should look. Your curry shouldn't be white. So it's almost done. I'm gonna let it simmer for like maybe 5 more minutes, because the vegetables are already cooked. So I'm just gonna let it simmer for another 5 minutes, and that's it. Perfect. This is so nice. Looks lovely. This is our lovely curry chicken. This is the result. Wow, wow, wow. Wasn't that wonderful? It tastes so delicious. I mean, mwah. I love it. I love it. You know, I love curry. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Guys, please try it. Please try it. All who have never ate curry chicken before, please just try it. It's so wonderful. You won't regret trying it. It tastes so wonderful. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all. See you in my next video. Ciao. Ciao.